In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to submit a Webflow template the right way, even if you've never done it before. If you're a designer or developer looking to sell your Webflow templates or become an official Webflow template creator, this video is going to save you a lot of time and confusion. I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and what Webflow expects from you during the submission process. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow and design tutorials. All right, let's jump straight in. First, open your browser and go to webflow.com/templates/submit-a-template. This is the official Webflow page where you can apply to become a template creator and submit your designs. Once the page loads, take a moment to scroll through and familiarize yourself with the requirements and expectations. Webflow is very strict about quality, usability, and structure, so it's important to understand what they're looking for before submitting anything. Next, click on the button that says Become a Creator. This will start the application process. When you click this, you'll be taken to the Creator application form. This form is where you introduce yourself to Webflow and explain why you'd be a good fit as a template creator. Now, carefully fill out the Creator form. You'll be asked for basic information like your name, email, and Webflow account, as well as details about your experience with Webflow. Be honest and clear here. Webflow wants to see that you understand their platform and can create high-quality, scalable templates that other users can easily customize. You may also be asked to share examples of your previous work, so make sure you include strong portfolio links. Once you've filled out all the required fields, go ahead and submit the Creator form. After submitting, Webflow will review your application. This review process can take some time, so be patient. If your application is approved, you'll gain access to the next step, which is uploading your first template. After approval, return to the same submission page and scroll to the section where it says Upload your first template. Click on that option to begin the template submission process. This is where you'll provide all the details about your template. Now, carefully fill in all the required information for your template. This includes the template name, category, description, features, and any supported use cases. Make sure your description is clear, professional, and highlights what makes your template unique. You'll also need to add preview images and ensure your template follows Webflow's design, accessibility, and performance guidelines. Finally, upload your template file as instructed. Double-check everything before submitting because Webflow reviews templates very thoroughly. Once submitted, Webflow will review your template and either approve it, request changes, or provide feedback. And that's it. That's exactly how to submit a Webflow template from start to finish. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Webflow tutorials, tips, and creator guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.